Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So this is sketch to image. Okay, so any sketches you guys draw and then want to upload into image, to turn into image. Okay, this is how you do it. It's under this function. Okay, it's under this function called AI design. Okay, to press AI design, you just press return here. AI design, you select here. You are inside here. All right, so we come into here, sketch to image. All right, okay. So from here you just select a wireframe. So you just select each image you want to upload lah. So for now I'm going to come here. I'm going to come to my sketches. So let's say I drag and drop one images here, drag and drop like this. Okay, so once complete, so I have like that design. Okay, so I can choose a template or write a description for it. Okay, so I can just write here. You can see any type of what description you need. Okay, if you don't want, you want to come here, image to words. Okay, you select here, select which template you want to use. So which design you want to use. So let's say it's living room, right? So living room. So let's say maybe I want something like this or this, or maybe I just come here, I just select some of this AiHouse one. Okay, select here like this. So as you can see here, you see this is midterm, modern, blah 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 blah. Okay, once you confirm, we press apply. So we press here. Okay, everything come here complete already. Okay, press generate. Okay, as you can see, based on the description, this description is applied onto your this lamp, sofa, and the plant. Okay, so of course, if you want to edit, you can just select here and then you edit. Okay, alright. If you don't want, then it's fine. Okay, you want to download, you can download also. Okay, download is here. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.